Today is a really special day because we are going to unbox the new KuKirin G2 Pro VTM version. I am really excited for this unboxing because everybody loves the G2 Pro series. Just to be clear, this is the Spain VTM version, so keep that in mind, and that's because those are the regulations in Spain. That means VTM DGT version. Here we have it. It is different from the original G2 Pro that we all know about. We should unbox it. Yeah! As usual, we have the special unboxing knife right here. Let's open this thing up. Yup! And this is the most satisfying part. Yeah! That's what I'm saying. First thing I notice, we have ignition key. That is great. So we've got the manual, very nice and informative manual. We've got the fancy pump, and that's great. Usually the entry-level scooters don't receive a pump, but this one does. We've got the charger. Man, this is heavy actually. Why is this charger so heavy? This weighs like 1 kilo. So this is a 48 volts charger with 2 amps. That's good enough. Let's put them apart. Ooh, what's this? It's an alien key. Nice. Now let's just take it out. Wow! Yo guys, this scooter looks so nice. I really do love the fact that we have an ignition key on this scooter. Where are the keys though? Oh, they're right here. Okay, we should mount it real quick. I just skipped that step because it was extremely boring. You just have to tighten 4 screws for the handlebars. It's time to take it out, I guess. Whoa. Yo, we've got it out. Yo, this scooter looks so clean. First look, I can tell this scooter looks pretty nice. We should give it a cold start real quick. Come on. We have the key right here. Just plug it in, turn it, and I guess we press on the power button. Wow. Okay, gear 0, gear 1, gear 2. So it has 4 gears. So as you can see, we have a new type of GUI in here. I really like the bell on this thing. This bell right here is extremely recognizable. Everyone will listen to it. First impression, man, this scooter runs so smooth. I really like that the tires are... Whoa! You can also bunny hop with it. So I really like the fact that the tires are really wide, and that means better stability overall. As we can see, this scooter is not going faster than 25 kilometers an hour. Whee! But yeah, overall this scooter feels really nice. I don't know if you can wheel it though. Let's test the brakes real quick. So assuming you're going 25 kilometers an hour and you have to silently stop. Let's see. Whoa, that was kinda fast. 1, 2. Stopping in 3 meters from 25 kilometers an hour is not bad. So you should only go for this model if you have 25 kilometers an hour speed limit and if you are not allowed to use zero start. Otherwise, you should definitely go for the normal G2 Pro. There is absolutely no reason to get this model unless you have speed regulations. Keep that in mind. Otherwise, yeah, this is a cool scooter. It will easily get the job done. It has a good amount of range. It only goes 25 kilometers an hour. Again, you should not get this scooter unless you are respecting some speed limits or regulations. That being said, if you live in a country where there are no regulations yet, you should go for the normal version of the G2 Pro. There you have it. It comes with a 48 volts 15 amps battery, and that is more than enough to just commute around the city. It also has mechanical brakes and good enough suspension. I don't know how powerful is that little headlight right there, but we'll see about it. Let me do a suspension test real quick. Wow, okay. Okay, so the suspension is amazing. I actually love it. Let's charge this scooter. Okay, so right now we have the battery fully charged. We cannot go faster than 25 kilometers an hour. Again, that's why you don't buy the VTM version unless you have speed regulations in your country. Wow, that was clean. He said it's slow, but it feels very nice. Also, as you can see, the brakes have a special grip on them for extra safety. That right there is rubber, and it helps a lot because if you wear or you're not wearing gloves, you're going to grip these brakes really well. Lights are good enough. Maybe a more powerful headlight would have been nice, but I guess this will do the job. Let's see how fast we can get speed. Come on. 15, 16, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, and bam, it stopped. it won't go faster. Okay, this is a slight uphill ramp right here. Maybe it's like 10 degrees. We can go uphill on 10 degrees. That's awesome. Let's take it on some light off-road. I really want to see how it handles it. Okay. The suspensions are doing a great job, that's for sure. Yeah, it can even go uphill a little bit. Let's go on this way. Whoa, I topped up the suspension right there. Okay. Okay. Okay, that was nice. So yeah, off-road for this scooter is definitely not a problem. Even though it has only 9-inch wheels, the tires are wide enough and they can handle a lot.